Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Hello and welcome to this edition of Central Coast Bass Fishing Shows. I'm back here at Anderson Lake. I'm not the dam this time. I'm at the state park, which is on the other side of the lake. Been here for a little bit, shot some drone footage, getting ready to go down there. Last time I caught 4 and it was a hell of an adventure because of the terrain. But now I'm here. I have more drop shots because last time I got them on drop shots and I didn't have any. But now I have enough. I have everything I think this lake will need for me to catch some fish. So I'm going to go down there on the other side of Anderson Lake and see how I do. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, got my first fish. This might be looking like an update style show because although there was no wind when I got here, the wind has suddenly come up really good. I walked down from where my car was and there's, I think, this point here. This point seems to be shallow and goes way out. Cast it on each side of it, nothing. Cast it right on top of it with the drop shot and caught this little one. So I think I've seen a few chase up at this corner, so I don't know, might be a good day. Let me let this one go and get back to fishing. Okay, second fish along right next to the same point, but it's crosswind and there's actually starting to be whitecaps, and I'm throwing a little 16th ounce drop shot rig. So it's a little hard. But it's kind of like the Coyote when I was in that 15 to 25 mile an hour wind. I was getting flicking on the 8th ounce. I know they're in here. I mean, the wind pushing it. There's a lot of shad in here. They're probably pushing up against it. Although it's a little difficult and there's a big bow in my line, I'm catching fish. So for right now, I'm going to stick with it. Might try the underspin or some other things over it. But there's fish here and I'm going to keep fishing for it. Let me let this one go. Okay, I probably picked the worst day ever to come to a new area of a new lake. I mean, I caught those 2, but well, I'm actually going to turn around right now, at least turn the camera around and show you what I'm dealing with. It's whitecaps. It looks like the ocean. I've gotten bites on and caught those 2 fish on is a drop shot on a light weight. I'm trying to jig. I've tried some action baits. So I don't know. I mean, I wasn't predicted. I don't know where the swing came from, but I'll be here all day anyway, and I'm gonna try and deal with it. Probably not going to be doing much from the hat cam unless the wind shuts down somewhere in the evening. Because you probably can't even hear me right now. All right, I'm actually. Point down from me is where I was catching them. I'm up from it to try this point, but it's not really a point, it's just kind of a deep turn. Go back down there and see if I can deal with trying to get some fish in this hurricane size wind. Okay, since my last update, the wind has gotten even worse. It's blowing even harder. You can see there's whitecaps everywhere now. It's got to be blowing at least like 20 miles an hour. I wandered around back to this point where I know there's fish, but I just can't fish for them. He came and fished drop shot this. I came and tried rattle trap. I've tried all kinds of things. It's like 30-foot bow in my line. Everything I try. All I can do is just wait it out. And hopefully, by evening time, this wind shuts down and I can try and catch some more fish. But one day I picked to come here. This is what I get. Frustrating. Never give up, as Ike and Ellie would say. Decided to just start throwing our bobblehead, skirted bobblehead. At least I can feel it on bottom. Went to the front side of the point. I went to the back side of it. Don't know how I felt this fish hit in this heavy wind and the big bow in my line. Good fish. Probably close to 3 pounds. Biggest I've caught out this lake. Alright, I'm gonna let this one go, and I guess until the wind settles down, the jig's my option for our skirted bobblehead. Alright, let me let this one go. Okay, since that last fish that I caught by a miracle from God, I've been trying to fish, but it's like I can't even fish downwind now. It's just spending most of my time just sitting on this rock, just going, why? I mean, it's like a little after 4 right now. The wind's kind of shut down for like 5 minutes or something, and it comes back up, seems to be even stronger. So it's frustrating. And this point is so good. There's so much rock out there, and I know there's fish out there. I just can't fish for them. Conditions just won't let me. So I'm just going to kind of sit around and hopefully with maybe an hour or something left to fish, as the wind settles down, explore this point. If not, I'm going to have to come back here on a day it's not windy and fish. Alright, back to sitting on my rock and waiting for the wind to shut down. Well, the wind's let down a tiny bit. So I just started walking down shore. I still want to fish that point, but it's just too windy. So I'm actually walking down with my back to the wind. At least I caught something. It's a teeny guy. It's the first bite I've had. First time I've been able to fish consistently for a while. So I'll take what I can get. Let this little guy go and see if I can catch some more. Alright. Right before go time, I decided to head down to this point. It's closer to the car where I was, but then I decided to come here. Got one bite and got this one on the drop shot. The wind has finally settled down, and this place closes at sunset, so we're looking at maybe like 5-10 minutes, one more cast or something. Alright, I'm going to let this one go real quick and see if I can get another 1 or 2 real quick before I have to skedaddle out of here. Alright, that's going to do it for this edition of Central Coast Bass Fishing Shows. Got that last one at the end. I'm in my car. I literally got kicked out. The ranger was there like with his lights on, just waiting because they're going to lock the gate. I'm tired. I basically ran up that hill. I'm so tired. It was an alright day for what I got. Can't control Mother Nature and 20-mile-an-hour winds. Not good. Most of the time I was just sitting there hoping they'd shut down. That last place I went, it seemed like there was a log out there. Right by where I caught that fish, and I got tangled on it. Another good fish hooked for a second and got off, so yeah. Not a good day with 25-mile-an-hour winds to go to a new lake and a new area. I mean, I've been to this lake once, but it was in a totally different area, so going to this spot on a day like this with this wind and the whitecaps, and it dirtied all the water. I just can't wait to go home and relax. Alright, hope you enjoyed it, and hope you join us for our next Central Coast Bass Fishing Show.